Okay, so we're gonna unbox some stuff from my SDI. So I did a tool unboxing a while back, and all of my classes have been lame and haven't had stuff shipped. But now we're into the second year, so more stuff's coming, and I got this huge box today. So we're gonna find out what's in it. Let me go ahead and cut it open, and we'll find out. I think I know. I have a good idea.
What do you think it is?
I think. Oh, I don't know. I think it's more than what I thought.
Oh. Well, get it out of the damn box.
Well, hold on. I just cut it open.
Well, get the shit out of there.
So I knew that I had the cleaning kit coming. Apparently I've got a lot of shit. Oh, okay. So this is a gun. Yeah, I got shipped a gun. Not like just any old regular gun. This is a kit.
Oh, it's taped over here.
God damn it. That's why we carry neck knives, folks. Okay. So this is a kit to make your own muzzleloader. And that is for my class, which is woodworking and metal fitting and all that good stuff. So within the next few weeks, this will actually be a fully functioning muzzleloader, which I'm pretty damned excited about. So I've never even fired a muzzleloader before, so
This will be fun.
That'll be fun and different.
Exciting.
Yeah. You know what that is, right, Tia? Like the
No.
old school muskets, you got to ram the powder and the bullet down, and like they did back in the
Wow.
Revolutionary War and stuff.
Seems like a very long gun.
And just be like, bam! I should get like a Civil War outfit when I use it.
Oh my god.
So that's
Totally.
first thing. Let's see what's in here. Just now for an online school, and it is kind of spendy, but the stuff they send is pretty good, high quality so far. The fuck is in that? Oh, cool. So for inletting. So we're actually getting some of the
Tools.
yeah, the tools for the woodworking. So this is, you do it for your inletting and carving and stuff.
It's cool.
So that's all going to be part of that. So they don't just give you a book and say, hey, here's how you do woodworking and metal fitting and stuff like that. They give you the tools and a project to do it with, which is really cool.
What was the other thing you got?
Like, this stuff, like tools to work on it, like
Oh.
to carve
Yeah,
and stuff.
like wood carving stuff. And then carbon destroyer and Spartan accuracy oil. Because I also have the gun cleaning lab. And this that I've been super excited about, which is the Otis Elite cleaning kit. Oh, bomb. My wife's showing me the ice cream she just got. So the Otis Elite cleaning kit. Come on over here to the table. Let's do a little separate unboxing of that right now. Like, not separate, but with it. So this cleaning kit, if you've seen it, it retails at your big box stores for $125 to like $140. I've seen it.
Thank you.
And this is a breech to muzzle kit. So this is actually a pull through. So you don't have your rods, you have like a cable style.
That's cool.
So that you pull it instead of push with the hard rods. That actually, oh, an AR chamber brush, sweet. I already have two, but okay. And the cool thing about that too is it comes with a field kit as well. So you can pack up your little field kit to take with you, hunting or whatever.
That's cool.
And then you've got your full-blown kit for in the shop. But yeah, this is actually good. I'm sure I'll do some videos of cleaning with this, but it's when you're using a rod to push, your rods flex, and over time it can wear spots in your rifling and it affects accuracy. So this kit is designed to not do that. That being said, I still like the old-fashioned rod cleaning, but pretty excited to try this out. It looks like it's got, oh, even lens tissues for your scope.
Pretty neat stuff. What is that?
That's tools like your little picks and
Yeah.
stuff for doing like your AR cleaning and things. So it's a pretty complete kit, going from let's see, 22 caliber all the way up to a 12 gauge. You can have all of your shotgun gauges, 50 cal, which is going to be good for that muzzle loader. And like I said, a chamber brush for your AR, and a small rod, so you can probably just use that for that, I guess. Yeah, awesome. So cool. So we got new cleaning kit, pretty top of the line kit, plus some extra cleaning stuff that the school sends, because what I've heard they do this lab is they do want you to compare a couple of products and write some papers on it. So they want you to use different products and kind of see how they work. And then for the other class, for stock fitting metalworking, I'm going to be building a muzzle loader, which is pretty awesome. So we'll get that. It's going to look nice, and it's probably going to end up being hung up there after I shoot it once.
And you shoot it once.
Maybe we'll let the kids shoot it and see how they like it. Anyway, so that's it. If you have any questions about SDI, Sonora Desert Institute, or what they do, or how things are going, feel free to post it down in the comments. And look forward to some more videos coming up soon, since we got some stuff to play with. Everyone stay safe and carry on.